Hey guys, so I went to Sephora today and I wanted to show you guys what new holiday sets they have at Sephora because they already have holiday sets and some of them have like really good deals. So I wanted to show you guys which ones they were. I will link everything in the description box below, and yeah, let's get right into the vlog. Holiday sets here, you guys. Look at all of these blushes. Look at this, $35, 171 retail value. 9 shades. That is insane. Oh my god. Oh my god. So there's 2 different ones. It looks like one comes with a like bronzer shade. And there's only one of these here. That is so crazy. It comes with 3 palettes for $49. Wow. I'm gonna link this down below for y'all. This is a really good Christmas gift. This is so good. Wow. No wonder there's only one left. And then we got these lipsticks right here for $29. These are the colors. Gosh, my nails are so bad. Just ignore them. They got mascaras over here. I really like the big lash one. This one right here, I think it's Big Ego. Yeah, I really like it. This one's good. I haven't tried this one. But it is, they're all vegan mascaras for $35, $69 value. They have more stuff back here. Concealer, mascara. So they have the Maracuja Creaseless Concealer and the Briogeo Mascara for $26. That's so good. We got the Hourglass Sculpture Holiday Collection. And here's the other palette and the lipstick. I just did a video on this palette right here. This one is $58. If you guys want to check it out, it's on my channel. But this one is $80. Comes with more powders. Soul has their new perfume as well, which I was happy to see in store because I really like their scent. Olaplex holiday sets here, $60. And then Briogeo has these super cute sets for the holidays. I love Briogeo. Biossance has some sets as well, and I think they're a really good deal. The farmer's market one is so freaking cute. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!